What's up, everybody? Tonight we're smoking some baby back ribs. So, cheers and let's cook. First thing we're going to do is put together our rub. I have a third of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of paprika. I'm going to be doing these on the smoker, but if I was going to cook them in the oven, I'd use smoked paprika and still get that nice smokiness to them. Then I got a tablespoon chipotle powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, coarse kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. I'm just going to mix all that together with a fork. For the ribs, I'm just going to take off the silver skin on the back and get my finger underneath there. We'll just give it a pull. If it does give you a hard time and doesn't want to come right off, you could just score it with a knife. That'd be fine too. Get the other one pulled off, and we'll be ready to rub them down with our seasoning. My membrane on this guy came right off. This one wanted to fight back, so I just scored it with a knife. Now, we're going to rub it down with some mustard on both sides. That is going to help bind our spice rub to our ribs. Just rub it on a thin little coat there. And now we're ready to put our rub on. Our ribs are all rubbed down and they smell amazing. I'm about to go onto a 225-degree smoker. I want to cook these until they're about 160 degrees internally, and then we're going to wrap them in some tin foil and whatnot. But every hour while they're on the smoker, I'm going to spray them down with some apple juice. So let's get these guys onto the smoker. Came out to do my 3-hour spritz of apple juice. Tempt it. We are just breaking 160 degrees, so I'm going to pull them off now. We're going to go back inside for just a minute. So our ribs hit just over 160 after about 3 hours. Now I got some tin foil with about 2 tablespoons of butter cut into pads on there. I'm just going to take each rack, so meat side down on top of that butter. We're going to wrap them up. Then I'm going to go back onto the smoker, also meat side down, for another 45 minutes to an hour until they're 200 degrees, 195 to 200 degrees internally. So our ribs hit 200 degrees right at about 45 minutes. I pulled them off, let them rest in the tin foil for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to cut it open and see what we got. See how we did. Meat is tender. It's got a ton of flavor. You can see that perfect bite meat. It's not mush. You don't want to cook it so it's so tender that it's just falling apart. You want it to have a little bite to it. And guys, that's a perfect rib. That rub is fantastic. You could just put some barbecue sauce on these guys, throw them back on the grill. or throw them under the broiler for a second. You're ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.